Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about how to choose a research topic. The first and most important point in this topic is the topic must based on your interest. Choose a topic that matches your interest while choosing a research topic. Remember, choose the topic which is of your interest. For example, if you are a zoology student, you are either interested in genetics or wildlife or diversity of animals, etc. Any field of zoology in which you are interested, choose the topic based on your own interest. This is the most important thing in your research. But keep in mind the other 3 points. Apply these 3 points on your topic, then choose it and carry research on that. The next point is not too broad, not too narrow. The topic which on which you are going to carry research that must not too broad, not too narrow. For example, let me share my own research topic with you. When I was doing research and choosing my topic, first I wrote my topic that was milk biochemical composition. But look into this topic. This is too broad. There are a lot of components in the milk. Then I changed the topic into protein amount in milk. Then I again changed my topic. But why this topic was changed? We will discuss it in next point. Finally, I choose comparative analysis, comparative analysis of milk biochemical composition, and further to be more specific, I choose only three components. That were lactose, protein, and lipids, fats. The next point is your topic must be feasible. Before choosing the topic, answer two questions about your topic. Can I manage it in the given time? Can I afford this? The requirements for carrying tests or collecting data. Will I fulfill them? Changing the topic protein amount and the milk or based on the expenses of the topic, because at that time you are unable to carry the test to find out different types of protein in the milk. The next one is the availability of data. Check either research paper, books, etc. about your research topic. Is there enough information available to complete my research? Because there are several topics which are explored, but the research paper are paid, so it will expensive for you to buy many research papers to complete your research. So it's all about choosing a research topic based on your interest, then discuss your research topic with your supervisor, your teacher, or your mentor, etc. So these are some points that can help you while choosing a research topic. All the points are important. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.